You look spectacular in the sun. Sure.
Don't take me, please.
Oh, okay. Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Let me see the belly. Let me see belly. Hey, baby. How you doing, baby? Ooh, nice. Nice baby. Everybody say nice baby, Isis.
Kiss
Isis. Kiss baby, Isis. Oh, yes. All right. There's Sana. There she is. Yeah. And Isis. Come on, guys. What a babe. There's like 3 babes all right there. 1, 2, and 3. And here comes the 4th babe. Babe in the woods. And the Lupinski clan is going for a hike. We're going to connect with nature. Right, Isis?
Oh, look what she found.
What'd you find besides the bottle?
Oh, look.
Oh, what's that?
Mushroom.
A mushroom.
Yeah.
Ooh. What do you do with mushrooms? Huh, Jenny? Jenny.
I have no idea.
What do you do with?
I haven't been stir fry.
Come on, Jenny. What do you do with mushrooms? Tell me.
Not those right kind of mushrooms.
Not the right kind, huh? All
These are
right.
mushrooms.
Yeah, they are mushrooms. Yeah. So, is this the last one, Jenny?
Yeah.
Come on. Tell me with
This is gonna fall out.
tell me with conviction.
I don't like being taped.
I know, but you're just so cute.
I'm a walrus. My power animal is walrus. Manatee.
Manatee.
Mommy manatee. Mommy manatee.
Tea.
This is where we should find the little brown guys.
You're the girl for me.
Isis is copying me.
Isis is copying me. He's walking backwards. That's my son.
What are those from, Sarah? It's from there.
Yeah, you can find them. Yeah.
Oh.
You just capsized. Hey, I'm waiting for you.
Oh, he's taking the shortcut, huh?
Me too.
We're gonna take the long cut. We like to walk.
I wonder what he would do filming.
I don't know, but we're gonna have to get a camera in his hand sometime, huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Do the filming thing.
Okay.
You know, I wonder, like, with the little digital,
Yeah.
I wonder what he would focus on.
Here, Isis, you want me to film Mommy and Daddy? You want to take a picture? Here, hold camera. Take a picture of Mommy and Daddy. There. Take a picture of Mommy and Daddy. Get us. Okay, here we come. All right, Isis.
You gotta walk backwards.
Go walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. No, walk backwards. Go backwards. Walk backwards. There we go.
There you go.
Keep walking.
So you don't cut off our heads.
Keep walking backwards. Walk backwards. Backwards. Keep going. Keep going. Keep walking.
There you go. Good.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Hey.
It's like Crispy Dog.
Crispy Dog. Filmer. Film producer.
We can make movies.
Yeah. Here's my baby and my baby.
Oh, make sure you don't cut off the head.
Don't cut off heads. Take a picture of me and my love.
Good.
You're my honey, you're my honey. You're my honey, you're my honey. You're my honey, you're my honey bee. You gave me a bit of ecstasy up here in the hills of Tennessee.
Good job. Oh, watch out for trees.
You help me keep my soul free. 'Cause you're my honey, honey bee. You're my honey, you're my honey. You're my honey, you're my honey. You're my honey, you're my honey bee. In the night when I'm lonely.
Don't cough the head. Get faces.
Get our faces. Hey, up here. In the night when you're lonely, I hold you tight, tell me I'm your only, the only one for you in Tennessee. When we wake, dawn's break, it's not so hard to see you're my honey bee. You're my honey, everybody, you're my honey, you're my honey. You're my honey, you're my honey. You're my honey, I wanna be right now. You gave me 5 blue-eyed babies up here in the hills of Tennessee. You helped me raise them free. You're my honey, honey bee. You're my honey, you're my honey. You're my honey, you're my honey. You're my honey, you're my honey bee.
Good job.
And here's the last verse. Let's see. Years have passed, and our love has lasted up here in the hills of Tennessee. And when I look into your eyes, surely no surprise. You're my honey, honey bee. You're my honey, you're my honey. Come on, Sarah. You're my honey, you're my honey. You're my honey, you're my honey bee. You're my honey, you're my honey. You're my honey, you're my honey. You're my honey, you're my honey. Okay, big ending. You're my honey, you're my honey bee.
Isis production.
All right, Isis.
Isis film production.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Good job, Isis.
Good making
Yeah.
movie.
Good job. We got another film producer here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You did good.
Good job, Isis. Yeah.
Walking backwards, not running into any trees.
Yeah. Can't wait to see that film.
I can't wait to see. I think that's what we should try to get them for Christmas.
Christmas, yeah.
Look at all this little camera video thing.
Right. Yeah. That's pretty hard walking back like
Yeah,
that.
I know.
And that's pretty good, Isis.
You did great.
Yeah.
You know.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it's a wolf.
We got animals. We're hearing animals. Animals in the woods. Uh-oh, I hear an asana. I hear an asana bird. I hear an asana bird. Oh yeah?
There's this guy from Colorado that said he was so sad he moved from the Upper Peninsula, which was mushroom paradise, to Colorado. Which I thought was mushroom
really? So this is the place, huh?
Yeah, but I don't know. Okay.
I saw a bunch of them on the
Yeah,
last hike.
They should be coming. The leaves are probably covering them.
Where are you guys?
Who took down our skull?
I don't know.
See, they was moved before.
Yeah.
Now look, it's gone. The skull's gone.
Hey, Mama.
Oh, it's just over there.
Let me see that baby one last time here. This is the last film of the baby in utero here. Look at that.
2 weeks earlier. Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Dad, do you want me to make some fire?
Little baby Xena.
Daddy should buy castor oil tonight.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Dad,
Well, you come out by Grandpa.
There you go. Holy moly, look at that. There you go.
did get up.
Yep, you didn't give up. That's right.
Dad broke that.
No, let him keep going. Didn't give up.
No, he didn't.